Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about introduction to the prism. So here you are able to see this is a prism, right? So what is a prism? What is prism? So from the diagram, this typical diagram, we are able to see what is prism. That is, this prism is made up of different surfaces having different cross sections, and if we count it, it has 5 different surfaces and having a triangular cross section from the front view. So we can write that the prism is a refracting, and this is a refracting medium. It is a refracting medium which is able to refract the light. Refracting medium made up of 5 plane surfaces and having triangular cross section. So what are the 5 different plane surfaces that we are noticing in the prism? So here we are able to see that ABC is one triangle. ABC is one triangle, and if we are able to see DEF is another triangle. Surfaces are triangular, right? So these are the 2 different surfaces. And what are the remaining 3 surfaces? Let's find out. Here we are able to see ADEB. ADEB is a rectangular surface. It is also called as refracting surfaces. And BEFC is another rectangular surface. BEFC. And other surface is ADCF. ADFC. Surfaces are rectangular. So in this way we are able to see what is a prism, right? So now we will going to learn about prism and its related terms. What are the different related terms? So now I can say that this angle, the angle A, which is in between BAC, is called as angle of prism. And when we are seeing the prism, the triangle, whatever we are seeing, it is ABC. It is called as principal cross section of this prism, or we can also call it as principal triangle cross section. So ABC is nothing but principal triangular cross section. And if we able to see here, BEFC is nothing but base of the prism. So we call it as BEFC is nothing but base of the prism. Now we have left with ADCF, which is called as a refracting surface. Why we are calling it as refracting surfaces? Whenever the light incidents, it will incident on this surface, so that it will bend the light, and then we will be getting the Webjior spectrum. So this ADCF and also this ADEB are refracting surfaces in this prism. So ADFC, and other thing is ADEB. are refracting surfaces which are able to refract the light. So whenever the light is incident upon this refracting surface, light will bend and then we are able to see the Webge or spectrum from it. Here we are able to see this AD, right? This AD is nothing but refracting edge. It is called as refracting edge. So now we have got this basic terminologies. These are called as basic terminologies used in or used by prisms or prisms concept. So now we have got that this has a refracting edge, that is AD, and what are the refracting surfaces, what is the base of the prism, and what is the principal triangular cross section, and what is the angle of prism. So whenever the light is incident on this surface, what the light will do is, light will be bent, and after bending it will give spectrum of Webge or. So this light is nothing but white light for us all the time, having a different wavelength and different frequency, and then we will be getting the spectrum of Webge or. So I hope you have understood all the terminologies related to the prism and what is the prism. So that's all for this video. Thank you.